Hare Krishna. So, welcome back. We will continue from where we left off in the last session regarding the chapter of uh, avoiding non-vegetarian food. So, I'll project the part from where we have to begin. Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So, we'll continue from here. Bhuta Hatya is sinful activity. प्राणी हत्या दूसरे जीव का हत्या एक पाप कार्य है. सो Panchashuna yagna, there is a yagna called Panchashuna yagna. 5 kinds of imperceptible sinful activities. Just like when you are walking on the street, there are many ants and germs that are being killed. तो रास्ते में जा रहे हो, आप तो कृष्ण भक्त हो, लेकिन आपके पैर के तले न जाने कितनी चींटियां और अन्य कीड़े मर रहे. आपको उसका मतलब ज्ञान भी नहीं है. So I do not know, I do not wish to kill, they are being killed, so it is not my fault. ठीक है, it is not your fault majorly, but आपका fault उसमें है, तो उसके अनुसार we are going to get punished. It is not going to go unpunished. So when you are igniting fire in the fireplace, हमारे घर के कोई कोने में हम अपने आप को गर्म करने के लिए सर्दियों में लकड़ी जलाते हैं, आग डालते हैं उसमें, तो उस जगह पे न जाने कितने कीड़े थे, कितने चींटियां थे, सब मर गए. सो तो पानी जब आप पी रहे हैं, कितने बैक्टीरिया उसमें के पेट के अंदर चला गया, बैक्टीरिया मर गया. तो देखिए हाउ इट इज मटेरियल वर्ल्ड, देयर इज नो एस्केप फ्रॉम सिंफुल एक्टिविटीज. तो हम ना जानते हुए भी बहुत सारे पाप कार्य हर रोज कर रहे हैं. सो भूता हत्या विच इज सिंफुल, ये रोज हमारे हाथों से हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट इंटेंशनल, सो वी डू नॉट नो दैट इट इज हैपनिंग. सो वेद शास्त्र में पंचसून यज्ञ इसके बारे में उल्लेख है. सो सूना मीन्स violence. So we'll just go back here. Panchasuna yagna. So today my laptop is playing games. I don't know what is happening. The PDF is just on its own closing off. I have to keep opening it again and again. So Pancha means 5 and Suna means Bhuta Hatya. So Stiya Suna Pana Dyutha. Suna means violence. So we prohibit these 4 kinds of sinful life. तो 4 आधार स्तंभ जो पाप भरित जिंदगी है, तो 4 आधार स्तंभ स्त्रिया सोना पाना द्यूता. They are the 4 regulative principles that we have to follow. We have to avoid doing those things. So striya means nari sanga, anaitik nari sanga. Suna means violence, meat eating. Pana intoxicants, and dyuta gambling. So striya suna pana dyuta. So these 4 things should be avoided. That is Vedic life. Yudhishthira Maharaj says it is not possible to counteract. But indirectly Yudhishthira Maharaj says the positive side in this age. तो युधिष्ठिर महाराज तो नेगेटिव साइड की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कलयुग में भले दोष निधे राजन अस्ति एको महान गुणा कीर्तनादेव कृष्णस्य मुक्त संगा परम गति. सो कोई भी शुद्ध हो सकता है हरे कृष्ण मंत्र जपा करते करते, उसका सारे जो अवगुण है वो अपने आप मिट जाएगा और बहुत ही शीघ्र मिट जाएगा. So suffering is caused because of misusing our intelligence. So improper use of intelligence is the cause of suffering. And when intelligence is used for incomplete knowledge, then where is that intelligence? So that person is called मूढ़ा. तो बुद्धि होते हुए भी अगर वो बुद्धि का फायदा नहीं उठा रहा है तो उस बुद्धि का रहते हुए क्या फायदा? व्हाट इज द यूज? सो even if you take meat, that is also coming from earth. Whatever you want, the supplies come from earth. तो धात्री, वहाँ then धरती, वो भी एक माँ है क्योंकि वो हमारा पोषण करती है. सब कुछ धरती माँ से ही आ रहा है. तो जो प्राणी को जो खा रहे वो भी धरती माँ का ही एक वरदान है. सो ग्रास इज देयर, एनिमल इज ईटिंग, cow or goat, then you are able to eat that animal. तो उस घास को खा के गाय और गोट जिंदा रहते हैं, बकरी जिंदा रहते हैं. तो सर्व काम दुगामही, what a human being is not meant is for eating animals. Although nature is that one animal eats another animal, so that is nature. But you got discrimination. तो मानव शरीर पाने के बाद हाँ, we are in a better position to do Brahma Jignasa. So this is the point where we have to have higher thinking. And we must ask the relevant questions. Why there is suffering in this world? And why people are sinful in their tendencies while acting. So your intelligence was given by God to understand this. भगवान ने आपको बुद्धि क्यों दिया मानव शरीर में? ताकि आप अथाथा ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा, अब आप इस वक्त सही समय है ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा करने के लिए. So Yudhishthira Maharaj, first business before appointing his grandson, he was very eager to know whether he is competent exactly like my representative. जब वो पोते को राज्याभिषेक करके फिर स्वर्गारोहण करने वाले थे तो उन्होंने शास्त्रज्ञों को पूछा कि क्या मेरा पोता लायक है राजा बनने का, तो मेरा प्रतिनिधि होने का क्या वो लायक है. तो ये देखिए राजा का ये कर्तव्य है. ऐसा नहीं कि नेपोटिज्म चलेगा क्योंकि वो मेरा पोता है वो राज्यभार. नो, पोता है ठीक है, बट he had to also get himself qualified by good education, by acquiring skills, and by showing good behavior. Simply because he is a king's son, in the Vedic times, it was not a foregone conclusion that he will be king. He had the best chance. So, he is expected to become the king, but not necessarily that person will become the king. So, for example, Dhritarashtra, elder brother, but he has got a defect, and a person who is having bodily defect cannot become king. So his younger brother had to become king. तो देखिए वहां पे भी just because Dhritarashtra is elder brother did not automatically become the king. तो पांडु को बनना पड़ा. तो prescribed food for civilized human beings. तो जो अच्छे नागरिक हैं, मतलब मानवीयता जो रखते हैं, उनके लिए क्या आहार पदार्थ रेकमेंड किया जाता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी शुड नॉट डिजायर मोर देन नेसेसरी. तेन तेन मुंजिता, मेरे थाली में जो है उसके ऊपर मुझे ध्यान देना है और उसको मुझे ग्रहण करना है. दूसरों की थाली में क्या है, दैट इज नन ऑफ माई बिजनेस. एंड कृष्णा इज टेलिंग अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि, भगवद गीता में. तो अन्ना मतलब फूड ग्रेन्स. तो एक आके ही भूतानि, इट सर्वाइव्स द लिविंग एंटिटीज. तो भगवद गीता नेवर सेज यू डोंट रिक्वायर टू ईट. भगवद गीता बोल रहे हैं मांसाहार मत करो, सब्जी खाओ, फल खाओ, दूध पियो. मना नहीं कर रहे कृष्णा. तो युक्ताहार विहारस्य, और जो भी हम सेवन करते इति नीति होना चाहिए. सो दैट्स कॉल्ड तपस्या, ऑस्टेरिटी. One has got the desire, but he should not desire unnecessarily. तो बे मतलब कोई भी इच्छा हमें पालना नहीं चाहिए. So नाप्नोति कुर्वन् नाप्नोति किल्बिषम्. So किल्बिषम् means result of sinful life. So kurvan na apnoti kilvisham. So when Krishna is recommending that Arjuna follow his words, when he does that, kurvan na apnoti kilvisham. By doing that, Arjuna will not get any sinful reactions because he is being guided by the father of Dharma, Krishna himself. So otherwise, if he doesn't, he'll have to suffer. यज्ञार्थात यज्ञार्थात कर्मण अन्यत्र लोकोयम कर्म बंधना. So यज्ञ के अर्थ यज्ञ के लिए कर्म करना चाहिए. हाँ. वरना लोकोयम कर्म बंधना. इस भौतिक जगत में कर्म बंधन में फंस के मतलब हम फंस के रहेंगे. We'll get caught, trapped in this material world. So move ahead, we'll move ahead. Food that is allotted for everyone. तो हम जानते हैं वो क्या है. although the principle is जीवो जीवस्य जीवनम. एक जीव के ऊपर दूसरा जीव निर्भर है जीने के लिए. So the lizard eats the insect to survive. तो उस जीव को इस जीव को अवलंबित होना है. So similarly, the tiger sustains by eating the flesh of the deer and drinking its blood. So again, jivo jivasya jivanam. Vegetarians also. Plant also has life, but it has now reached that point of life where further its life is having no meaning. It is the right time for that plant to be utilized. That is how its life cycle is. So Krishna is saying, anyone who supply me with the basic small things that I'm asking, I'll be very pleased. So civilized human being means God conscious and he leads a happy life. तो अच्छा नागरिक कौन है? जो भगवत भक्ति में रहता है और सुखी रहता है. भगवत भक्ति में होने के कारण. और भगवत भक्ति का सरल उपाय है इस कलयुग में हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So if you think meat is very palatable, why don't you live on meat? तो एक भक्त को गोपाल जी पूछ रहे हैं, अगर आपको लगता है कि मांस बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट होता है तो क्यों ना उसी को आप केवल उसी को आहार बनाए. लाइक ए टाइगर आप हंट करो एनिमल्स को, फिर बिना कुक किए उसको फाड़ के खाओ मांस, रक्त पियो उसका. क्या हम कर सकते हैं ऐसा? नहीं. तो उसका स्वाद बढ़ाने के लिए गरम मसाला डालते हैं, कुछ और भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालते हैं. एंड वी मेक इट मेनी डिफरेंट, दे मेक इट मेनी डिफरेंट विद रेड चिकन बिरयानी, तो चिकन मुर्ग मसलम, चिकन टिक्का. So all the taste that you get when you eat is not the taste of chicken. So that is very bland. उसमें कोई स्वाद नहीं होता है. स्वाद नहीं होता इसलिए आप एक्स्ट्रा स्वाद डाल रहे हो. भारी जो स्वाद है उसको डाल रहे हो. केवल raw meat nobody can eat. Even the ardent meat fan जो बोलता है मैं दिन में 3 बार, हफ्ते में 7 दिन, महीने के 30 दिन, साल के 365 days, I eat meat. So will that person eat raw meat? चलो सुपर मार्केट जाके फ्रोजन मीट लेके आके उसको बिना पका के खा लेगा? कोई नहीं कर पाएगा. ऐसे करेगा उसको डाइजेस्ट भी नहीं कर पाएगा. बिकॉज मीट इज नॉट अवर रेगुलर डाइट. मांस हमारा स्वाभाविक भोजन नहीं है. So we'll go further. By eating sanctified foods, one's very existence becomes purified. जो प्रसाद खाने से हमारा जो अस्तित्व है वो शुद्ध हो जाएगा. आहार शुद्ध हो, सत्व शुद्धि. अगर आहार शुद्ध है तो हमारा सत्व शुद्ध हो जाएगा. और सत्व अगर शुद्ध हो जाएगा, सत्व शुद्ध हो, ध्रुव स्मृति ही, we become very determined and our memory becomes very powerful. Smriti namdhe, so we'll have long memory. Sarva grantinam vipramoksha. And from all the ties and from all the sufferings, the Brahmana gets delivered. He goes on the path of preparation. And this is the need of the hour in the present society. We offer food to God, and the food that is offered to God is called, once you remove it from it, becomes prasada, His mercy. So, yoni bhaktya prayachati. For something to become prasada, recommended food should be offered, first point, and it should be offered with love and devotion. Bhaktya prayach. तो भगवान के सामने ताली रख के और नेम से घंटी बजा के कुछ बड़बड़ा के मंत्र निकल दिए. That's not what Krishna is looking for. Krishna is looking for feelings. Krishna is also a person. कृष्णा भी एक व्यक्ति है, उसका भी इमोशंस है. कृष्णा चाहता है कि अपना जो संतान है वो प्रेम करे. Every father wants his son to love him. Similarly, Krishna wants all of us, his children, to love him. So while eating, we are remembering God. While preparing food, we are remembering God. While buying ingredients, we are remembering God. While making the food, we are remembering God. We are offering, we are remembering God. हर वक्त भगवान को ध्यान में रखते हुए एक भक्त अपने आध्यात्मिक जीवन को आगे बढ़ाता है. Why? Because that principle is also given by Krishna. Why is the bhakta doing? Why is the bhakta is always remembering Krishna? Why is always chanting Hare Krishna mantra? Why is he doing activities that will always remind him of Krishna? Because Krishna himself has said that Mam Anuspara Vidyacha, telling Ananya Bhakti, unalloyed devotion, सततम कीर्तन तो माम 24 घंटे दिन में रात में मेरा ध्यान किया करो. So as bhaktas we take only remnants of Krishna's food and nothing else. It's not about vegetarian, non-vegetarian. We are not fans of vegetarian food, and we are definitely not for non-vegetarian food. So what we are fans of are, we are fans of Krishna Prasadam. हम कृष्ण प्रसादम के अभिलाषी हैं. We are not advocates of vegetarianism also. But better than non-vegetarian is to be vegetarian. But to stay just as a vegetarian is not done. That vegetarian food should be used in devotional service. How? By preparing and offering it to the Lord, and then accepting that prasad. You first then offer it to your Guru, and then you thank the Guru and eat it, as is Mahaprasad. So, this was about part 2 of your topic, importance of avoiding non-vegetarian food. तो आज मैंने सोचा था कि मैं बाकी 2 चैप्टर्स भी कंप्लीट कर दूं, जो सिर्फ एक पेज है. मुझे लगता है हमने बहुत समय ले लिया, because you have taken 1 hour time already. So we'll close today. This videos I'll post today night. Tomorrow morning by 6 o'clock on YouTube, it should be up and running. You can revise it again there. So 2 small chapters that remain, we'll be doing it in the next class. And the exams have been announced for July 21st, which is a Sunday afternoon before your KL class, 2 to 5 in a separate hall. This exams will be taking place. PDFs are already posted. Please revise. All the PDFs are posted now. So please revise. Please read your recommended proper book for this level. And make sure you complete your sadhana, your service hours required, festival service hours required, reading schedule that is required, the number of times you must come for Mangalarati, Darshanarti in the temple that is mentioned in the chart, sadhana chart. Not sadhana chart, the Prabhupada Ashraya record. So please make sure that you complete by the end of this week. From next week onwards, I'll be calling you all individually and I will taking some points from you about what all you have completed and where you are lacking and how much you have to do further. Because the chart is very self-explanatory. आपको देखना होगा और अपने आप आपको मोटिवेट करके जो deficient parts है उसको backup करना. So we will go ahead and stop here. If you have any questions, I'm there on WhatsApp for the next 15 minutes. You can always ask me. You can message, you can call, you can do video call, or if it's too late now, you can do it anytime, any other time also. Better to send message so that I can, at my convenient leisure time, give you the answers. So thank you very much, and uh, there is just two small chapters remaining. We have almost completed your sadhaka, that is aspiring upasaka course. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. श्री श्री राधा वृंदावन चंद्र की जय, श्री श्री गौर निताय की जय, जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल।